Hello, and welcome to a video of me sitting on my floor and organizing my thread collection. I got stocked up today, so I thought, why not put it on bobbins? That is what I'll be doing in this video, pretty much. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy. So when I first get started with organizing my string collection, I go to bobbins that don't have much thread left on them, like this, and I take it off and I wind them up. And then I put them in their own designated shoebox, and from there I can use them for like alphas, or if I'll just use like one string for a bracelet. And so yeah, I will show you that in a minute. Now I'm gonna get started with the winding all this stuff up. So once I got that done, I'm basically gonna start going to bobbins and winding some of this up. So what gets me started is going with like colors of the rainbow, just basic colors that I end up using quite some. And this is all I have winded up now. I would say there's like no red really, or yeah, I'm just kind of low on colors on my bobbins right now. So I'm gonna start with these, and then I usually end up using lots of blues in my bracelets and purples, and I'm pretty well stocked up on blues now. Not really purples, but yeah. Obviously I can't fit all the colors on these, so I'll be a little limited, but let's get started. In case anyone had any like questions out there of like how to do this, the whole bobbin winding thing. So what I do is take a little piece, put it through that little slot, so I have something, a little thing to hold on to, and then I just start winding. Yeah, from there it's pretty self-explanatory. This process can get pretty time consuming, and it's at times like these I wish I had one of those, like, you know those little crank machines that they have for putting floss on bobbins? Yeah, I wish I had one of those right now. But until I get one, by hand it is. Which it really isn't that bad unless you get it tangled and it's a mess. Now I got the rainbow done, and time to fill up the rest of these with stuff I have over here. So I did all this off camera, but basically I filled up all my bobbins with colors of my choice, and now I'm ready to put them all in organizers. So yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. So I have this small little container that you saw me organizing in, and they fit like just perfectly. And yeah, I tried to do it in rainbow order the best I could. So starting with a dark red, reds, oranges, yellows, greens, some light blues, some blues, darker blues and navies, dark purples, purple, have a color changing purple. It's kind of like a fuchsia color, I think is what it is, yeah. And then pinks, and then this is like a kind of like a cream color, grays, browns. And I know I don't have any blacks and whites in here, but that's kind of like a personal preference. I don't really like keeping them in bobbins, probably because I use them so much. But yeah, that fit in there real nice. So here is the finished product. I now have a nice box of organized thread, and everything that didn't fit in there is in this little tray holder thing. I'm sorry, but I like can't tell you where I got both these from, because they've kind of just been passed down from my family, so I doubt they remember where they got them. So sorry about that if you were interested, but I'm sure they sell like apartments like these on like Amazon or at a craft store. So that shouldn't be hard to find if you're interested. And yeah, I had a fun time doing this. It's nice to see everything all organized. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Please consider liking or subscribing. And comment any video ideas you have. I like doing anything like bracelet related, like maybe tutorials and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.